Freshcash.com claims you can earn money by completing simple online tasks like surveys, app installs, and games. Is it actually legit in 2026 or just another waste of time? In this video, I'll break down how free cash works, how much you can realistically earn, payouts, pros and cons, and whether it's worth using. What is free cash? Free Cash is a get paid to platform where users earn money by completing offers, and instead of creating offers themselves, Free Cash partners with overalls like surveys, mobile games, sign-ups, and trials. You earn coins which can be converted into real cash or gift cards. How Free Cash works. Here's how it works step by step. Number 1, sign up for a free account. Choose an offer, survey, game, app install, or sign up. Complete the task exactly as instructed. Get credited coins, cash out your earnings. Most users earn from surveys, fast but low paying, mobile games, higher payouts but time consuming, app trials, or signups. How much can you earn? Let's be realistic. Fresh cash will not replace a full time job. Surveys usually from half a dollar to $3 each. Games can pay $10 to $50 or even more, but require hours or days of play. Daily earnings for most users between $2 to $10. Some top users earn more, but that's usually due to long gaming offers or referrals. Payment methods and minimum payout. Free Cash supports multiple payout options in 2026. PayPal, crypto, Bitcoin, Ethereum, etc. Gift cards, Amazon, Steam, Google Play. Minimum withdrawal starts as low as half a dollar, which is a big plus. Payouts are usually instant or within a few minutes. Is Free Cash legit or fake? Free Cash is legit. It does pay real money and withdrawals do work. However, not all offers track correctly. Some surveys disqualify you after time spent. Game offers can take longer than expected. These issues come from third party overrules, not Free Cash itself, but they still affect users. So it is legit but not perfect. Pros of Free Cash. Very low payout threshold, multiple payment options, clean and easy to use interface, high paying game offers available, fast withdrawals. Cons of Free Cash. Surveys can be frustrating and time consuming and wasting. Offer tracking issues happen. Earnings are inconsistent. Some offers require a lot of time, not available in all countries equally. Who should use Free Cash? Free Cash is best for students or beginners, people looking for extra side money, users who enjoy mobile games, anyone wanting small payouts fast. It is not good if you are looking for stable or long term income. And now let's talk about the final verdict, which is the last section in this video. So is Free Cash fake or legit in 2026? It is legit, but it is not a magic money app. You can earn real money if you choose offers carefully, avoid wasting time on low pay surveys, focus on higher paying game offers. If you treat Free Cash as a side hustle, not a job, it can be worth trying. And that's all for today's video. If you found it helpful, please support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thank you for watching and goodbye, and see you in a new video.